We got the seagulls in the feeding frenzy, feeding on a pan of spaghetti. I lured them over here with some pizza crust. Southern born 761 feeding the seagulls early this morning.
They'll come back.
They coming. You can believe that. There they go. They stalking the pan. Let's see who's gonna be the bravest.
Yeah.
Oh, big. Look like biggin. Uh-oh.
Look, he's running them up. Get them back. Get back. That's my pan. I seen it first.
Hey, big boy said, nah, that ain't happening. They stalking him. He can't fight them all off. He trying, though. He damn so trying. Big boy ain't even having it about that pan. So I'm gonna get mine first. Must be his kin folks. Uh-oh. Look at Big Daddy. See, Big Daddy just muscled it. Oh, there you go. Big Daddy just muscled the pan. That's a big old seagull there. Boy, that's Dylan right there. That's like a chicken. How big that motherfucker is, man. What you been eating? Well, that motherfucker must have been hanging out at the chicken plant. That's a big ass seagull. Damn, he took the whole pan.
He just gonna pick up the pan and walk away with it.
He just moved the pan. And they already know he ain't playing. And he dragging the pan.
Man,
All that good spaghetti.
Standing there hungry as shit. Big boy just gonna stand there and eat in front of you. And look at you and dare you. Don't walk your ass up on this man. Got little lieutenants outside working the circle.
He just done put down on everybody. Well, who told you could have some? What you think you doing? I didn't invite you up here yet.
Walk up with that.
Yeah, he steady dragging that motherfucker.